Morning children. Today we are going to see Science Chapter 3 Animals Part 7. Learning objective: to know about some creatures. Some creatures which do not come under the category of insects are given below. Earthworm. It is a tube-shaped segmented worm which is commonly found in soil and feeds on plant and animal waste. It helps to improve the texture of soil. Excreta of earthworm increase water retention capacity of soil and is used as a fertilizer. This is the picture of earthworm. Second one is about snail. Snail feeds on plants, especially on the leaves of water plants. It spreads a freshwater disease in humans commonly called snail fever. Third one, house lizard. House lizard feeds on flies, mosquitoes and spiders. The droppings of house lizard in food can cause serious food poisoning in humans. Spider. It is found almost everywhere. Most of them build webs. They feed on small insects and flies that are trapped in the web. It causes allergic reactions and sometimes red rashes in humans. Now let's move on to questions. Read these questions carefully and write your answers in your science note or in an A4 sheet. Question number 1. Which creature helps to improve the texture of soil? Number 2. What is the disease spread by snails in humans? Number 3. Dash of earthworm increase water retention capacity of the soil. And 4. Name the creature which build webs. And 5. House lizard feeds on dash, comma, dash and spiders. Thank you.